Hi everyone, this is Rajnikant. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my tutorial. Today we are going to discuss about TDS2 certification questions. Let's jump into the video.
Welcome to Tosca TDS2 certification questions and answers. Here is the question. The Excel UI engine in Tosca allows you to steer Excel workbooks in background without opening them. Scan and steer the Excel worksheets, embedded controls and dialogs as a UI. Steer the Excel workbooks using the Excel standard modules. Compare the UI of two Excel workbooks. And the answer is scan and steer the Excel worksheets, embedded controls and dialogs as a UI.
See, that's all guys, that's all about this video. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching and